Hey guys, MD here. Today I'm doing a collab video with Helgas Pennsylvania Cooking. Oh man, she makes some really good food, you guys. Go check her channel out. I'll leave the link below. She's doing some poppers as well. Today I'm making Monster Jalapeno Poppers. And these are so good. They are huge and really easy to make. Let me show you how we do it. Alright, so for the first part of our filling for these jalapeno poppers is going to be some bacon that we need to fry up. I got like 2 pieces of bacon, not very much. We're just going to fry those up into little tiny bacon bits. Alright, those are crispy enough. We'll go ahead and kill that heat on this. And we're going to take all the bacon out and we're going to set it aside. Now to prep these jalapenos, I see a lot of people that slice them down the middle. I just think it's a lot cleaner if I keep them into like a, just hollow them out like that. And I know that can be a little difficult, but this is something, don't knock it until you try it. You got to get you, it's got to be a clean drill bit though. And then you just kind of put it in the middle and kind of slowly roll it around in there. And as you can see, it cleans that out pretty well. And just rinse that out in the sink, get your seeds out, gets that membrane out, which is just as spicy. But yeah, you get nothing on your hands either, so you don't got to worry about the gloves as much. But yeah, I'll do that to the rest of these. All right, for my filling, what I used was I'm using just cream cheese spread. And I'm using sharp cheddar cheese as well. I like the flavor of the sharp cheddar cheese, but I like the smooth creaminess of the cream cheese in a popper because it's more pleasant to eat. And then I went ahead and added all those bacon bits in there to mix in. All right, let's go ahead and fill these guys up. Yeah, looks like you're gonna have to do it the old dirty style, right? Just get it up in there with your fingers. Try to fill it with as much as you possibly can, no air bubbles. Just like that. Alright, for the first part of the batter, I've got a half a cup of whole milk here. And I'm going to do 2 eggs for the egg wash. We'll go ahead and mix that up real well. For my flour mixture, I've just got some flour and some Zatarain's Creole seasoning. It mixes really well with the fry. And then I've got plain breadcrumbs as the outside. So let's go ahead and batter these up, huh? All right, we're gonna go ahead and batter these up. I've got it in the egg wash, drop it into the flour mixture that we got. Like I said, the flour is just seasoned with some Zatarain's Cajun. Oops. Back into that again with the Cajun seasoning. It really fries up well. Throw it into and then just plain breadcrumbs, real nice and easy. And this is just stage 1 of the coating. We're gonna, oops, after we're done with this, we're gonna throw these in the freezer for just a little bit, and then we'll recoat them again. Alright, I set these in the deep freeze for about 10 minutes and it really lets that batter set, so we're just going to do this entire process over one more time just to get a real thick batter. Make them super unhealthy. One more time in the wet. Back in there. You really want a thorough coating on the ends here just to make sure that none of that filling comes out when we fry them. And then once again, we're going to put these in the deep freeze for another 10 minutes to really let it set. So when I throw it in the fryer, it's not going to come off. It's going to be actually forming a crust before it starts to separate. And that's what we want, is one solid crust. Okay, while those the poppers are refreezing or setting in the deep freeze for another 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and heat up our oil. We want to fry this at about 375 today. And I've got about 1 inch of oil in my cast iron down there, and that's what we're gonna fry it in. All right, we've hit that magic 375 mark. I just took these out of the freezer. Let's set them in there, let them start frying up. Since we don't have that much oil in there, I don't want to drop the temperature too much, so we're just going to go 3 at a time. These are not going to take very long. You just want to fry it to where it's the right color. Once it's the right color, you're done. Okay, these are all done. Let's plate these 3 up and we'll get our next 3 on. Last 3 are almost done. So simple. Some monster jalapeno poppers though. I mean, that thing is huge. Alright guys, time for the best part, the taste test. These are going to be hard to eat because they're so big. Look at that thing. Usually you get the halves like I showed you before. I do the whole ones. But these should be pretty good. Let's give it a try. These are perfectly crisp. Nice crust on them. They're perfect. So give it a try. So creamy. And these jalapenos are kind of mild. That's what I don't get at the grocery store. You never know what you're gonna get when you get these jalapenos. I wish I had the location or whatever, what type of jalapeno they were when I buy them, because some are spicy and some aren't. And it's difficult to do your recipes with that. But these have no spice to them whatsoever. Let's go for another bite. Oh my, look at that. So good, guys. Oh, these are delicious. Nom nom nom. All right. There. I'm gonna keep going if I don't stop now. But like I said before, this is a collab video. I'm doing it with Helgas Pennsylvania Cooking. She makes some outstanding food. I get a lot of ideas from her channel because she's always doing something interesting and real home style cooking. Love her channel. She's such a good person. Go check her out. Links down below. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you want, hit that subscribe button as well. You can find more videos just like this, more content just like this. And hit a comment down below what your favorite appetizer is or your favorite way to do a jalapeno popper. I'd love to hear all your guys' recipes. It's always fun to look at. But man, I'm telling you what, these are so good. You guys got to give them a try. I really appreciate y'all stopping by. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. Let's finish this thing up. So good.